Welcome back. Next we learn about Off Page SEO. Off Page SEO refers to the optimization techniques applied outside of the website in order to improve the web page's ranking in search engines. It involves the creation of high quality backlinks from other credible websites, which indicates to the search engines that your website is valuable and trustworthy. Here are some of the aspects of off-page SEO. First and the most critical aspect is called link building. The number and quality of backlinks pointing to your website play a significant role in determining its ranking in search engines. Building high-quality, relevant backlinks with authoritative websites can greatly improve your website's visibility and credibility. In this context, we discussed about PageRank by Larry Page, right? In that context, if you get a backlink from a credible website, that is considered much more valuable than from a personal blog or like that. The second aspect is social media. Having a strong social media presence can drive traffic to your website and also improve its credibility in the eyes of search engines. Regularly publishing high-quality content and engaging with your followers can increase your social media reach and authority. Content marketing. Creating and promoting valuable and relevant content on other websites can attract backlinks and also establish your brand as an authority in your industry. Online reviews. Online reviews and ratings from customers can impact your website's rankings as well as its credibility in the eyes of potential customers. Encouraging customers to leave positive reviews and ratings can greatly improve your website's visibility and reputation. Influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers in your industry can help promote your brand, attract backlinks, and drive traffic to your website. Influencer marketing can also help increase your brand's exposure and credibility. In conclusion, off-page SEO is an important aspect of SEO that can greatly impact the website's ranking and visibility in search engine results. By focusing on these strategies, website owners can improve their website's authority, attract more organic traffic, and ultimately drive more conversions and sales. However, it is important to implement these techniques in a natural and ethical manner in order to avoid getting penalized by search engines for manipulative practices. I hope you are loving this course from Programming Hub. Keep learning and keep sharing. To learn more from us, hit on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get the latest updates from Programming Hub.